Paul Nichols from Circular in Tasmania. I run a 1,500 cow dairy operation for my parents, 400 hectares. Where we are now is 230 hectares where we do a lot of our groundwork. Parents are originally from New Zealand. We moved to Morbana 29 years ago. Went from Morbana to Woolnorth, 4 years in Morbana, 1 year at Woolnorth, and then settled at Greenacres where we are now. They started at 300 cows, and as the years have gone on, we've brought the neighbours out and up to 1,500 cows now. Do about 150 hectares a year of cropping and reseeding, and we found that it was just getting too slow to get around, and that's why we decided to buy this machine, just to make it easier and more efficient for us to roll all our grass seed. Yeah, so we did a trial paddock just down the road on a piece of land that I lease. Side by side, we did our old roller. We did one paddock, and then the next paddock we got this roller come in, and we found that the seed struck quicker under this roller. So in the past, we've been called out by weather, by rolling versus not rolling, and we always find that wherever we roll, after we seed, always comes up 10 times better than where we don't roll. So that's, another benefit of rolling behind an air seeder or behind any seeder. One thing I've noticed that they've built out of very good quality steel and tough steel. So like we got a set of discs that we've had for years and we've never had anything break or nothing. So the quality's definitely there.